My name's Ray Waid. I'm a maritime lawyer. I practice here in New Orleans. I am a graduate of the class of 2007 at Tulane University Law School. In August of 2005, I was starting my second year at Tulane. We had gone to the first week of classes. So that Saturday morning in August, Dean Poneroff emails the whole class and says, look, we're going to close until Wednesday just as a precaution because there's a hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. Of course, you know, Saturday night rolls around and Sunday morning rolls around, and we realize that it's a very serious situation. The tech folks that work at Tulane evacuated, stood up a new server, and created a website so that Tulane students and the professors could meet up. So everybody could get on, say where they had evacuated to, and share information. And then after those basic needs were met, information about, okay, what do we do next? I had a list of all the alumni from Tulane that live in San Diego and put them in one group email, and I said, hi, my name's Ray Waid, and this is my girlfriend Avery Pardee, and we're 2 L's at Tulane, and obviously we don't have a place to stay right now, and we're coming to San Diego, but we don't know anything about San Diego. We want to continue our legal education and gain experience, and if you can do anything to help us, we'd really appreciate it. One of the first people to respond was Knute Johnson, and he called me up and said, well, what are you guys interested in? What do you want to do? And so he kicked in doors, and so I would go to the University of San Diego, take these classes on really the basics of litigating, you know, constitutional criminal procedure and evidence, and then I would go to the U.S. Attorney's Office and I would put what I learned in class to work. And then for my girlfriend, who would later become my wife, her time at the Federal Defenders was foundational, and she would go on to graduate in the top 5 people in her class. I think that for my class at Tulane and the class ahead of us and the class behind us, those bonds are even stronger because we had this shared experience that was very difficult that we went through together, but like any difficult experience, it's not all bad, and we've all come out on the other side stronger and better because of it. So my lesson for somebody that has to live through something horrible like this is first, second, and third, to be a helper. And if you have something that you can do or say to lift somebody up or help them along, to do it. And if you do that and the person next to you does that, then everything will be just fine.